Coming up to 100 meters to go. Wonderbroads setting the pace. All far side by North Bay Warriors of Hope and Breast Buddies. Wonderbroads continue to lead. 100 meters to go. Wonderbroads. A well-oiled machine out there in first place at Wonderbroads. It looks like Kentucky Thoroughbreds are close to us in lane 2. Far side North Bay Warriors of Hope lane 6. Breast Buddies lane 5 and Abreast on lane 3. Wonderbroads continue to set the pace. 50 meters to go. Biggest lead of the day. Wonderbroads going to push right through to the end. 25 meters to go. Wonderbroads. Substantial lead, followed by North Bay Warriors of Hope on the far side. Pushing on the inside is Kentucky Thoroughbreds. Kentucky Thoroughbreds pushing for second place. Kentucky Thoroughbreds pushing North Bay Warriors of Hope. Kentucky Thoroughbreds. North Bay Warriors of Hope will have to wait for the times. Picture photo finish. Nice job.